How to fix Cloudflare error. So Cloudflare errors can arise from various issues related to your website's configuration, server, or even your own browser settings. So to resolve these errors, you can first identify the error code. So Cloudflare provides specific error codes that indicate the nature of the problem, which you can refer to the Cloudflare's documentation for the specific error code you're encountering. Then you can check the website status. So ensure your website is online and accessible. Use tools like Uptrends, Website Uptime, tests to verify if the issue is specific to your website or if it's broader problem. You can also use Hostinger. Then you can verify DNS settings. So incorrect DNS settings can prevent Cloudflare from reaching your server. So ensure your DNS records, especially A records, point to the correct server IP address. Then you can check the server status and configuration. So make sure your original web server is running and responsive. Review server error logs for any application crashes or outages. You can also check if Cloudflare's IP address are whitelisted in your firewall, and you can ensure keep alive is enabled in your server. And if you have a full enabled SSTL, then you can verify the server supports HTTPS and has a valid certificate. Then lastly is browser related issues. So you can clear your browser's cache, cookies, disable the browser extensions that might interfere with Cloudflare, try accessing the website in an incognito mode, and consider using a different network or device to isolate network related problems.